Namaskaram, greetings to all. I am Shreya, student of Guru Srimati Parvati Rao, and I am here to give you a tiny little introduction into why Margazhi Mosam is celebrated so popularly, especially in the South Indian region. But before that, Srimati Vasumati ji would like to share with us the significance of the Margazhi Vratam.
Margazhi Vratam is undertaken by young girls to get good husbands. But the inner meaning of this Vratam is very, very significant. Everyone living in this world is a woman wanting to attain God. God alone is Purusha, whom every soul wants to attain. So, Margazhi Vratam is very important for every devotee, be it a small child or an aged person. Thinking about God gives greater good. It gives prosperity to the whole country. This is explained by Andal in her Pasurams. The rules and regulations to be followed in this month of Margazhi and the benefits of keeping this Vratam are well explained in this Pasurams. Let Andal give us the necessary strength to take up this Vratam in this Margazhi.
Thank you, Vasumati ji. So, Margazhi Masam is the time of the winter solstice when the days are shorter and the nights are longer. The Tamil month of Margazhi starts from December 16th this year, which is tomorrow. It is the day when the planet is closest to the sun, so the maximum pull of the sun's gravity happens at this time. That is the effect the Margazhi month has on the human system. It pulls you from the base. This month is kept aside for spiritual activities. Auspicious events like marriages, etc., are not performed during this month because this month is solely kept aside to engage in any and all spiritual activities, worship of gods for some, self upliftment, and spiritual evolution. During this period, many sing the Tirupavai and Tiruvembavai regularly. We at Swaranjali are following these footsteps of tradition too. Chanting of the Tirupavai of Andal is the most important event of the month. Tirupavai consists of 30 verses and a verse is chanted on each day of Margazhi. Another major highlight of the month is the drawing of columns daily in front of houses. Many streets are filled with huge columns of various sizes and shapes and designs. The designs are usually breathtaking. So, stay tuned to this very channel for the Swaranjali version of Dinam Oru Tirupavai.